Hello everyone, this is Tyler Krompiatek from Coley at Canisius. In this video we will show you how to access the quiz attempt log in D2L. This can be useful to see when students start or finish their quiz, or to see if a student even did the quiz. To get started, click on the Quizzes tab in the course navbar. Then find the quiz that you want to view the attempt log of, and click on the drop-down caret to the right. In the menu that appears, find and click on Attempt Logs. Note that you may have to scroll down a bit to see this option. This main page is what will be most useful to you. Here you will be able to see the entry into the quiz and the completion of it, and who modified it if there are any modifications that were done. This is also typically where you can find whether or not a student has an attempt in progress. If you only want to see certain things, like just the quiz entry, click on Quiz Entry to filter the list. You can do the same for viewing the quiz completion, quiz attempt deleted, and quiz attempt restored. Keep in mind that only the first selection is restrictive. The other ones will be added to the list unless you click on the previous filters to remove them. The Detailed tab gives you much more information. This includes the IP address of the student and when D2L saved the responses. That's it for this video. If you have any questions or comments, please contact us at helpdesk@canisius.edu. Thanks for watching and have a great day.